My people, honestly, something disturbing is currently happening across Igboland. A new trend is sweeping through our communities as we speak. You know, this old ancient practice of accusing someone of witchcraft and chasing them out of the community is back, and it's moving so fast. They say they've caught a witch, someone using supernatural powers to harm others in the community. And just like that, the accused, often elderly men and women, are usually banished, sent away from the only home they've ever known, sometimes to another town, sometimes to another state, anywhere, as long as it's far from their own people. This particular video is trending of a man that has been banished after being accused of killing community members through mystical means. No court trial of any or no evidence, just an accusation and a decision by the community. Now, whether you believe in witchcraft or not, the speed and frequency of these banishments are raising big questions. Are we protecting ourselves, or are we destroying lives based on fear and suspicion? This practice, which many thought had faded into history, is now skyrocketing in some Igbo communities, and elders who should be cared for in their old age are suddenly being thrown into the streets. And in this other video is an elderly woman that has been banished also. Now,
onye gburu that man ka achọrọ ịmata. Ndị gburu ya. Okay. Now, ihe ọzọ anyị na-ajụ owu ka afada gị mere poison ahụ. Eberechi onye mere breach ihe obu n'ụkwụ. Ndị mere. Ka ebe imerie. Na chọpụ ka imerie. Chọpụ gị. Chop gị ka ọ. Mmadụ ole ka igbugoro? Mmadụ ole ka igbugoro na Igbo a? Let the reason why you tell me free. But the reason why you name me free. Sorry. But I'm not going to. I let this name me free. Madam. I let him in 1 minute. But that clear on Sunday one day we came in a wedding. One way more. Madam, what's wrong that like this now? Now he must ring and the guy is saying how long all those things. So I about running million. I let it then.